Madidi National Park is a vast and biodiverse protected area located in the northern part of Bolivia, in South America. It is one of the most ecologically diverse regions in the world and serves as a critical habitat for numerous plant and animal species. The park's incredible natural beauty and unique ecosystems make it a popular destination for ecotourism and wildlife enthusiasts. Madidi National Park is situated in the upper Amazon River basin, spanning across the departments of La Paz and Beni in Bolivia. The park covers an area of approximately 18,958 square kilometers, 7,320 square miles, making it one of the largest national parks in the country and the Amazon basin. Madidi National Park is renowned for its incredible biodiversity. The park's diverse landscapes, ranging from Andean mountains to lowland rainforests, provide habitats for a wide array of plant and animal species. It is estimated to be home to over 8,000 plant species, more than 1,200 bird species, and numerous mammals including jaguars, pumas, giant river otters, tapirs, and several monkey species. The park encompasses a variety of ecosystems, including cloud forests, montane forests, lowland rainforests, and savannas. This ecological diversity results from the varying altitudes, which range from the high Andean peaks to the lowland Amazonian basin. The different habitats support a wide range of flora and fauna, making it a unique and important conservation area. Madidi National Park is also home to several indigenous communities, such as the Takana, Arayona, and Quechua. These communities have lived in harmony with their natural surroundings for generations and possess extensive knowledge of the forest's medicinal plants and sustainable practices. Their cultural heritage is an essential part of the park's overall value and conservation efforts. Due to its ecological significance, Madidi National Park has received recognition and protection from various conservation organizations and the Bolivian government. Efforts are in place to preserve the park's biodiversity, promote sustainable ecotourism, and support the livelihoods of local communities while maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Madidi National Park offers visitors unique opportunities for ecotourism and adventure. Activities include guided hikes through the rainforests, wildlife spotting, birdwatching, and visits to indigenous communities to learn about their traditional lifestyles and culture. The park's remote location and untouched wilderness provide a truly immersive experience for nature enthusiasts. Despite its protected status, Madidi National Park faces several challenges, including illegal logging, poaching, and encroachment. These activities pose threats to the delicate balance of the ecosystem and the well-being of the wildlife and indigenous communities. Continued conservation efforts, education, and sustainable tourism play a vital role in protecting the park's natural heritage. Madidi National Park stands as a remarkable example of the incredible biodiversity found in the Amazon basin. Its lush forests, diverse wildlife, and cultural richness make it a significant ecological treasure and a must-visit destination for those seeking to explore the wonders of the natural world.